A reserve asset is the bedrock of any investment portfolio. Think of it as financial insurance. Its main job isn't to make you rich overnight, but to protect your wealth when markets get rough. Portfolio managers use reserve assets to balance risk, ensuring that when stocks tumble, there's a safety net. The key is diversification, mixing stable assets with riskier ones to weather economic storms. The ideal reserve asset is durable, liquid, scarce, and not dependent on anyone else's promise. Gold has long been the classic example. Hard to produce, universally accepted, and no one's liability. Central banks and investors alike rely on reserve assets to back currencies and stabilize portfolios. The principle is the same whether you're a government or an individual. Build resilience against uncertainty. The debate over what makes the best reserve asset is ongoing. Today, a new digital contender is challenging the old guard and forcing everyone to rethink what a reserve asset can be. As the financial world evolves, so does the definition of safety and value. The foundation of a strong portfolio is no longer set in stone. Investors now face a choice: stick with tradition or embrace innovation. The next chapter in reserve assets is being written right now. For centuries, gold has been the ultimate reserve asset, scarce, durable, and a hedge against inflation. When governments print money, gold's value often holds steady, making it a safe haven in turbulent times. Government bonds are another pillar, essentially loans to stable governments. They offer steady income and low risk. During recessions, investors flock to bonds for safety, balancing out riskier assets like stocks. Cash, or short-term treasury bills, is prized for its liquidity, ready to use at any moment. But cash loses value over time due to inflation, making it risky to hold too much for too long. Together, gold, bonds, and cash have formed the defensive core of portfolios for generations. Each serves a unique purpose: gold for crisis, bonds for income, cash for flexibility. But today's environment, rising debt, low interest rates, challenges their effectiveness. Investors are searching for new ways to protect and grow wealth. The traditional trio is no longer the only answer. The search for alternatives is on. Enter the digital age. Bitcoin arrived in 2009 as a digital asset with no central authority, just code and consensus. Its blockchain records every transaction, maintained by a global network, not a single institution. The game changer: absolute scarcity. Only 21 million bitcoins will ever exist. Unlike fiat money or even gold, Bitcoin's supply is fixed and transparent. This digital scarcity gives it a hard money quality in a world of endless money printing. Bitcoin is borderless, portable, and doesn't rely on banks. Ownership is direct, with no counterparty risk. It's a bearer asset. Control the keys, control the coins. This independence offers a level of financial sovereignty rarely seen in traditional assets. Bitcoin's value comes from its network, security, and the belief in its scarcity, not from governments or industry. It's a new kind of money, born from the internet and cryptography. For investors, it's both a radical innovation and a challenge to old ideas about value. Bitcoin is forcing a rethink of what a reserve asset can be. The digital age has its own gold. Institutional investors are eyeing Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and currency debasement. With central banks printing money at record rates, traditional assets like cash and bonds look vulnerable. Bitcoin's fixed supply stands in stark contrast, offering a potential safe haven. Its volatility is high, but so is its upside, making it an attractive asymmetric bet for portfolios. Even a small allocation could boost returns if adoption grows. The infrastructure for institutional investment, regulated custodians, ETFs, and financial products, has matured. Major firms and public companies are now adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets. As it becomes mainstream, the career risk of investing in Bitcoin is fading. Bitcoin's low correlation to other assets adds diversification, potentially reducing overall portfolio risk. For managers seeking true diversification, Bitcoin is a unique addition. The financial world is taking notice. Bitcoin's biggest challenge: extreme price swings. 10% moves in a day aren't rare. This volatility makes it risky compared to gold or bonds, and a tough sell for conservative investors. Regulatory uncertainty is another hurdle. Rules vary by country and can change fast. Some nations embrace Bitcoin, others ban or restrict it, creating a cloud of uncertainty. Security is also a concern. Lose your private keys, and your Bitcoin is gone for good. Institutions need robust custody solutions, and the risk of hacks or scams is ever present. Bitcoin's short track record is a risk too. Gold and bonds have centuries of history. Bitcoin has just over a decade. It hasn't faced every economic storm, so its long-term reliability is still unproven. For many, these risks make Bitcoin a speculative asset, not a true reserve, at least not yet. But as the market matures, some of these risks may fade. The debate continues. Is Bitcoin a revolution or just a risky bet? Only time will tell. Bitcoin's role in portfolios is growing as global debt rises and fiat currencies face pressure. Its scarcity and independence make it appealing as a modern store of value. As the market matures, volatility should decline, making Bitcoin more attractive to institutions. Improved infrastructure, ETFs, futures, secure custody, makes investing safer and easier. More education is shifting perceptions. Bitcoin is moving from fringe speculation to mainstream consideration. It may never fully replace gold or bonds, but it's earning a place alongside them. The question for investors is no longer, should I ignore Bitcoin, but how should I use it? The digital age demands new tools for preserving wealth. Bitcoin is leading the charge as digital gold. The future of reserve assets is being rewritten. For now, Bitcoin stands as the most battle-tested digital contender. The story is just beginning.